Alright, hello everybody. I'm Sean T.D. Stewart, the homemaker, and I am here with the home helper, and she's going to help me, or I'm going to help her, we're going to help each other make a shelf for plushies. So material we are using is this laminate flooring that I have. Real durable material. We'll just cut off the grooves and tongues on each side. We'll cut this board in half. We'll make a simple box. Alright everybody, now that we have all the boards cut, we're going to add some pocket screws so we can join the shelf together with some pocket screws and some glue. This wood is way too dense for pocket screw. So we have to try a different method. Alright everybody, we're going to try a different approach. We're going to try putting this together using the nail gun and see how that works. Cool. So now we got these clamps on there to use the nail gun. You want to take a shot? Yes. So I'll hold it, and you just pull the trigger. Wait, not yet. Keep your hand over there. I'll line it up. Alright. Don't be scared. Yeah. Go ahead and pull it. Oh, so there's a nail. Didn't go all the way though. Alright. There we go. Alright everybody, so nail gunning did not work at all the way I thought it would. So we're just going to go ahead and drill holes and put screws through them. So we're going to proceed with this board by adding glue to each end. There you go. Go all the way down. Just flat to the bottom. Alright. And you hold it in the corner like this. Look, the other way too. Ta-da! There it is. Simple shelf. Maybe we can use it in between shelves. Alright, so we found this other material here. It's not the same color, it's a little bit thinner as well, but it will work. I think it's also bamboo, just of a different shade. I'll cut this down to fit within this area here. I'll have one shelf there and one shelf here. Just split these sections in half each. That'll give us the proper heights that we're looking for. So this is actually 35 and a half inches and 35 and a half inches, which is correct, consistent. So we'll mark the halfway points between here and here. Which is, this is almost 16 inches, so we're talking, it's 16 and a quarter to 8 and an eighth. just a little bit. Close. There you go.
A little bit of glue. A little bit more glue. There we go.
Grab a screw, run it through. Perfect. There we go. And voila, I think we're done. We'll probably paint it in the future, but for now, I think this is good enough. This is a fully functional shelf for dolls. Dolls aren't super plushies. They aren't super heavy. So this will work actually. This will work really good. Can I get that plushie right there? Can you test out this plushie shelf? Take a plushie.
It's so high.
Oh, it's a little too high. This guy go on top. Remember, this is going to be against the wall, so it could squish creatures in there.
That's cool.
Hello, I'm a llama. Just doing llama things. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see y'all next time in the next build. Goodbye. Okay. Alright everybody, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we will see you next time in the next build.
Bye.
Bye.